Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Today I have a question for you that it is 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 over x minus 1 equal to 1. What is the value of x? To solve this question, first of all, we're going to take common denominator between these two fractions. So let's go and take common denominator between these two fractions. Our common denominator is x plus 1 and x minus 1. Because they don't have any common factor, so the common denominator between these two fractions are x plus 1 and x minus 1. So for solving the question, we are going to divide this common denominator on each of the denominator separately. Let's do it. Common denominator, which is x plus 1 and x minus 1, when we divide on first denominator, we will get x minus 1. So 1 times x minus 1 plus, and when we divide the common denominator on second fraction, which is x minus 1, so we get x plus 1. So 1 times x plus 1 equal to 1. So let's delete this one and continue our solving question. And so let's distribute this 1 on x minus 1 and also distribute this one on x plus 1. So 1 times x is x, 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. And also here, the second term, 1 times x is x, and 1 times 1 is 1. So over x plus 1 times x minus 1 equal to 1. So here we can cancel out positive 1 with negative 1, and we can add this 2x, that it is 2x over x plus 1 and x minus 1. These two brackets as the form of a plus b and a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So we do the same. X times x is x square, positive times negative is negative. 1 times 1 is 1, is equal to 1. So for solving the question, we are going to multiply this right side and left side diagonally. This 2 and this 2. So let's do it. 2x times 1 is 2x equal to x squared minus 1 times 1 is x squared minus 1. So let's move this 2x to the right side and we'll have x squared minus 2x. Here we have positive, and when we move it to the right side, it becomes negative 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so for solving this quadratic equation, we use this formula that it is x is equal to negative b positive negative b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So here the coefficient of x squared is 1, which is our a, and the coefficient of x is minus 2, which is our b, and the constant is minus 1, which is our c. So let's plug into the formula and solve the question. So x is equal to negative b. Our b is minus 2, so negative 2. Positive negative from formula, and b square, which is minus 2 square, minus 4ac, which is 1, and c is minus 1, and over 2a. Our a is 1, equal to, so let's simplify this term. Minus times minus is negative, times negative is positive 2, positive negative, and minus 2 square is 4, minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 is positive 4, over 2 times 1 in denominator is 2, is equal. So 2 plus positive negative, and 4 plus 4 is 8 over 2. So here we can simplify here 4. We can write 8 as 4 times 2 over 2, and also x is equal to 2 positive negative. We can write separately the square root of 4 and square root of 2 over 2. So equal to 2 positive negative, square root of 4 is 2, and the 2 does not have complete square, so over 2. So here between these two terms we are going to take 2 as a common factor. So let's go and take 2 as a common factor. 2 as a common factor, here we have 1 plus positive negative square root of 2, and on denominator we have 2. So now we can cancel out these 2, and finally we have our roots, that is 1 positive negative square root of 2. So this is our final answer. This is our final answer, which is the value of x is 1 plus or 1 positive negative square root of 2. Thank you for watching the video.